learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
中马哥呀，
让我们加入客家风情，学习实用客语。
Yo, what's up? It's time for Daily Hakka here on ICRT. I am Joseph Lin.
Hello， 大家好，我係美甲。
Hello， 你好，大家好，我係 Joseph Lin。美甲，你是住在公寓还是大楼？
大厦，就是有電梯的。
high-rise building. But in Taiwan, there's also a lot of apartments that are without elevators, maybe 4 stories or 5 stories high, and those are called 公寓。我们今天就来教这个好了。公寓怎么说？
公寓。
That's more like a low-rise apartment. And then 大厦
有兩種，第一個係大樓。
太哈 that's a high-rise building. So let's make a phrase out of these words, including 这一間舊公寓舊歸舊，但內部很寬敞。This apartment, even though it's old, it's very spacious.
亞東路公寓。
路環路。
地度沙東法。
All right. 就是路環路 that's 老歸老的意思。Even though it's a little old, but hey, guess what? It's very spacious. On the other hand, if you live in a high-rise building, you're going to be part of the whole landscape. So 城市裡呢，到處都是高樓大廈。In the city, there's a lot of high-rise buildings.
上度。萬乃秋黑。高樓太哈。或是太
樓就是大樓跟大廈我們剛剛教的不一樣的說法。So there you go. That's part of the whole city landscape. It's all high-rise buildings. Let's review some of the phrases, including an apartment. It's 公寓 and 2 ways of saying a high-rise apartment. 大廈太哈太樓就是大廈或者是大樓。There you have it. All about buildings and your surroundings. Thank you so much for listening.
什麼大家
安子 say 張來了。
客家風情由客家委員會監製。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.